Your vision is quietly deteriorating right now, and the food sitting in your kitchen could either stop it or speed it up. Most people will lose 40% of their functional vision before they ever notice something is wrong, and by then, the damage is already decades deep. What if I told you that 5 specific foods, eaten in the right combination, have been clinically shown to rebuild the very structures inside your eyes that deterioration destroys? 5 foods. But the 5th one, the one most people throw away, is the most powerful of all. We get to that in a few minutes. The human eye is not a passive camera. It is the most metabolically active tissue in your entire body, burning through nutrients at a rate that almost nothing else matches. Every second you spend in daylight, your retinal cells absorb photons and convert them into electrical signals, a process that creates oxidative stress as a direct byproduct. Oxidative stress accumulates in the macula, the precise center of your retina, and over years it causes the progressive cell death we call macular degeneration, the leading cause of permanent blindness in adults over 50. But here is what most ophthalmologists do not have time to tell you in a 12-minute appointment. Oxidative damage to the retina is not inevitable. It is largely diet-dependent. Research published in the Archives of Ophthalmology found that individuals with the highest dietary intake of specific antioxidants were 43% less likely to develop advanced macular degeneration than those with the lowest intake. So, what are those antioxidants, and how much do you actually need? Let's start with what science considers the single most important nutrient for the aging eye. Lutein is a carotenoid, a yellow pigment found in specific plants, and it is the only nutrient your body deposits directly and exclusively into the macula of your eye. The macular pigment, made almost entirely of lutein and its sibling compound zeaxanthin, acts as a biological sunscreen inside your eye, filtering damaging blue light before it can reach and destroy photoreceptor cells. A landmark 2006 study, the AREDS-2 trial, funded by the National Eye Institute, demonstrated that high-dose lutein and zeaxanthin supplementation reduced the risk of advanced macular degeneration progression by 26%. The top food source of lutein is not what most people guess. It is not carrots, despite everything you were told as a child. Cooked kale delivers up to 23 milligrams of lutein per cup, almost 4 times the amount researchers consider therapeutic for eye protection, making it the single most powerful vision food on Earth. But here is what most nutritionists miss. Lutein is a fat-soluble nutrient, meaning your body cannot absorb it unless you eat it alongside dietary fat. And this single fact changes everything about how you should prepare these foods. Which means a plain kale salad, no dressing, no fat, gives you almost none of the vision benefit. The way you prepare the food matters as much as the food itself. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin in a form that is 3 times more bioavailable than the same compounds found in vegetables, because the fat in the yolk is already there, doing the absorption work for you. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating just 1 egg per day for 5 weeks significantly increased macular pigment optical density, the measurable thickness of the eye's internal protective shield. The question that always comes up, does dietary cholesterol from eggs damage your cardiovascular health, has been largely resolved by modern nutritional science, and the answer is more nuanced than the headlines suggested for decades. For most people, the liver compensates for dietary cholesterol by producing less of its own, meaning egg consumption has far less effect on blood cholesterol than consuming saturated fats does, according to updated Harvard School of Public Health guidance. 2 foods in. And we haven't even touched the nutrient most eye specialists say is the most chronically deficient in adults today. That one is coming next. And the symptoms of deficiency are things you have almost certainly already experienced. 30% of adults over 40 have clinically dry eyes, not because they do not produce enough tears, but because the lipid layer of their tear film is structurally compromised, and the primary dietary cause is omega-3 deficiency. The tear film that protects your cornea has 3 distinct layers: And the outermost lipid layer, secreted by the meibomian glands in your eyelid, is made primarily from the fatty acids you eat. When omega-3 intake is insufficient, the meibomian glands begin secreting a thickened, degraded oil instead of fluid lipid. And this is the direct structural cause of evaporative dry eye disease, which affects roughly 86% of dry eye patients. The richest dietary source of omega-3s is wild-caught fatty fish, sardines, mackerel, and salmon, with sardines delivering nearly 1.5 grams of DHA and EPA per 100-gram serving at roughly 1/10 the cost of salmon. For people who genuinely cannot eat fish, a quarter teaspoon of algae-based DHA oil added to any meal delivers the same therapeutic dose, because algae is the original source from which fish accumulate omega-3s in the first place. There is one more thing about omega-3s and eye health that almost no one knows, and it involves the relationship between omega-3s and a completely separate eye structure. First, the vitamin deficiency that damages night vision before it touches anything else. Vitamin A is the direct molecular precursor to rhodopsin, the photosensitive pigment inside your rod cells that allows you to see in dim light, and without it, your night vision collapses first. Night blindness, difficulty seeing in low light, needing longer to adjust when you move from bright to dark environments, is one of the earliest clinical signs of vitamin A insufficiency, and it affects far more people than the deficiency statistics suggest. The sweet potato is the most calorie-efficient source of beta-carotene on Earth. A single medium sweet potato delivers over 150% of your daily vitamin A requirement, and cooking it with skin on and a fat source nearly doubles its bioavailability. Carrots, famously associated with vision, are indeed an excellent source. But the beta-carotene in raw carrots is so poorly absorbed that cooking them and adding fat increases their effective vitamin A delivery by up to 600%. Beta-carotene is also a self-regulating nutrient. Your body converts only as much as it needs into vitamin A, meaning you cannot overdose on it from food sources, unlike preformed vitamin A from animal liver or supplements, which can be toxic in excess. We are now past the halfway point, and the food we have not named yet is the one most people throw directly into their trash can. That reveal is 3 minutes away. Zinc is not itself an antioxidant, but it is the mineral that makes antioxidants work inside your eye, acting as a cofactor for the enzyme superoxide dismutase, which neutralizes the most destructive form of free radical damage in the retina. The highest concentration of zinc in the entire human body is found in the retina, a fact that tells you unambiguously how essential this mineral is to visual function and how sensitive the eye is to its depletion. Oysters contain more zinc per gram than any other food on Earth. A single medium-sized oyster provides roughly 5.5 milligrams of zinc against the daily therapeutic target of 8 to 11 milligrams recommended for eye health maintenance. For those without access to oysters or who dislike them, pumpkin seeds, which most people overlook entirely, deliver 2.2 milligrams of zinc per ounce, making them the most accessible and affordable zinc-rich snack available in nearly every grocery store on Earth. Pumpkin seeds are also connected to the food in the next section, the one I promised earlier, the one that most people throw in the bin. And when you hear why that matters, you will not do it again. When most people cook bell peppers or citrus fruit, they discard the very part of the plant that contains the highest concentration of vision-protective compounds, the white pithy interior lining and the zest. The white pith of citrus fruits contains flavonoids, specifically hesperidin and naringenin, that strengthen the microcapillaries supplying blood flow to the retina, reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy and retinal hemorrhage at the cellular level. This means the zest of a lemon or orange, the outermost colored layer of peel, grated into food, is not just flavoring. It is one of the most concentrated sources of vision-protective bioflavonoids available in any grocery store at any price. And the seeds of the bell pepper, almost universally discarded when cooking, contain zeaxanthin at concentrations that rival the egg yolk itself. the same zeaxanthin that deposits directly into the macula and is irreplaceable in its protective function. So we have 5 foods, but the question everyone is actually asking, and the one I am going to answer precisely in the final section, is how do you actually combine these into a daily routine without overhauling everything you eat? You do not need to eat all 5 of these foods at every meal. What you need is consistent daily exposure to the key compounds, and the simplest way to achieve that is a 2-meal anchor strategy. Anchor Meal 1, breakfast, should include 2 whole eggs cooked in olive oil, a handful of sautéed leafy greens added directly to the pan, and a pinch of pumpkin seeds stirred in at the end. The lutein from the kale absorbs into the fat of the egg yolk and olive oil simultaneously. This is not accidental. It is the exact biochemical pairing your eye requires to rebuild macular pigment density over time. Anchor Meal 2, dinner, should include a serving of wild-caught fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week, with the remaining night substituting a palm-sized serving of sardines or a teaspoon of algae oil stirred into a cooked grain or vegetable dish. The lemon zest over dinner is the detail that most people skip, but adding it requires 0 extra effort once you know it is not garnish, it is medicine. The full protocol takes less than 15 minutes of active preparation per day, less time than the average person spends scrolling before getting out of bed, and the measurable effect on macular pigment optical density becomes detectable on clinical testing within 90 days. There is one more thing to address, and it is the mistake that people make even when they eat all of these foods correctly. It negates almost everything, and it involves something nearly every adult does every single morning. High glycemic breakfast foods, white bread, sugary cereals, instant oatmeal with added sugar, spike blood glucose in a way that directly accelerates the formation of advanced glycation end products in the lens and retina of your eye. Advanced glycation end products are the direct molecular cause of cataracts, and they are produced every time blood glucose spikes rapidly, regardless of whether the person is diabetic. Replacing your morning refined carbohydrate with eggs, greens, and a handful of pumpkin seeds does not just protect your eyes, it eliminates the single largest dietary driver of accelerated eye aging in the modern diet in one substitution. 5 foods, eaten in the right combinations, at the right times, with the right preparation. And your eye is no longer fighting oxidative stress, dehydration, capillary fragility, and glycation without backup. Kale with fat, eggs daily, fatty fish or algae oil, orange and lemon zest, pumpkin seeds. That is the protocol, and it fits inside the meals you are already eating. The 5th food, the one most people throw away, was the pith and zest of the citrus sitting in your fruit bowl right now. Start there tonight. If this video changed the way you think about what you eat for your eyes, share it with one person whose vision matters to them. That is the only ask. Wondering what is the best natural ingredients for eye health and clarity? Watch the next video.